Um, Let me state again what I said to you on Friday. Until the governor of Rivers State, Governor Simila Fubara, is actually recalled back, there is no proof that he is coming back, as far as I'm concerned. Just the same way the president himself addressed the nation to tell us the reason why he believes he had to suspend the governor of Rivers State and declare a state of emergency. I expect him to declare the same way to Nigerians that he is lifting that suspension that he imposed on the governor of Rivers State. Now, going to the media, because we need the media. The people need the media and want to be able, we need to trust the media. That whatever the media says and puts out, that it is the truth. Because the media are the people that have, if you like, the final pot where we get information. We're supposed to be able to read something in the paper and then know that, yes, that's what's happening. So the media play a critical role in what the ordinary man believes and hears. Just the same way the judiciary is supposed to play that critical role, that once the judiciary utters a word, we're supposed to accept that that is the finality of it. The media plays a great role. And I want to say to the media that under no circumstances, especially when it comes to things to do with governance and what is in the interest of the people in any state, but particularly in Rivers State. Please, the media must not allow themselves to be used in the name of politicians and for politicians. They should always be on the side of truth for their sake and for the sake of the people they are talking to. If we don't buy newspapers and we don't listen, don't tune our TVs on, media will go out of business. So the media needs the people, and therefore the people need to hear the truth from the media, not speculations, not imagination. If I give you an interview, don't imagine what I'm trying to say. Don't speculate what I'm trying to say. Don't even change the English in case you think it's not correct. Leave it like that. The people I am hoping will hear me will understand what I'm saying. It's not about English. It is about the truth. The media must always be the last call for people to hear the truth.